you doing, my friend?
I did. What? Where did my husband?
Even I.
You sneak.
But I did get to sneak up behind him like before. He told me to stop sneaking up behind him.
Yeah, sure. Look at the smile on his face.
You like.
You know, anybody 13 to 17 and they want to learn how to barbecue some chicken. I'm the type of guy who will never settle down. Where pretty girls are, well, you know that I'm around. I kiss them on my mouth.
Wait a second, he's got a mini pole now.
No, see, for that kind of stuff, it was cheap stuff, right? And but you would only need it for a little while.
Sorry, 2 days off now.
Chewbacca's going to be here. All right, number 165, A as an apple. Jim Davis with a 1940 Chevy Convert. Off the car number 208, Frank Brisky with a 1969 Chevy Camaro. 6, Ashley with a 1972 Plymouth Barracuda. Ashley. All right, before we get off to the next one, again, we want to thank everybody for coming out to the best damn car show right here in Boulder City. Put on by Boulder City Cruisin Association. Please do me a favor. When you drive out of here, drive slow. We still got the barbecue going on. There's people on the street walking. Boulder City PD is waiting for you. So please watch yourself. If you get on the pedal, look it on the ticket book.